everybody, it's Neil, and with my newfound passion, I guess, for running and biking and exercising, I figured I'd get myself some air compression leg massager, and one of my sons uses one of these and says, "Oh, it's so great, Dad, you gotta get one." So here we go, I got one. So let's open this up here, and let's see if it says what this one is. This is, I don't know, it's a JZBRAIN. Maybe that's the brand. Let's see what we got here. Here we have the instructions for it here. I guess here's more instructions. So I guess we have a quick guide and we have the instructions. Look at this, it comes in its own little bag. How cool is that? Oh, what's that? Got a couple of things going on here. What is this? It's like USB plugs, but let's open this up and see what we get inside. Okay, so there's the bag. I'll just put that there. And here is the device here. So it looks like we got two of these. I guess there's gonna be one for each leg. I guess they're gonna be individually controlled, which is kind of cool. Sorry, I have to keep everything fairly clean and neat here as I go. You'll see my little dog will be running by here in a minute. She doesn't leave me alone. Okay, so it's gonna be, I guess it's gonna go this way. Let me see what's the picture look like. Yeah, the contraption here is going to go on the outside. Turn that off there. Okay, but let's go ahead and put this on my foot. Okay, so there we go. There it is on one foot. Let's see what happens when I push the button. There, it looks like it's battery powered, so we're going to be good there. And it's doing whatever it does. While it's doing that, I'll put on the other leg. Okay, so here's my other leg, and I've got two legs on there. Okay, and I'll aim you guys down a little so you can hopefully see what's going on with my legs instead of my face. So it is filling up with air on that side. So let's read and see what we got going on here. Take this little plastic off. Kind of cool, it faces up to face me. So it looks like we're set for a 10-minute thing at 250 somethings. And where its sequence is that. Okay, so it's gonna go through a whole sequence of stuff. It's pretty cool. Air compression leg massager. So it says 6 modes, 4 levels, timer settings, battery indicator, mode button, strength button, timer button, and start pause. So in these little ones here, these are gonna be USB to USB-C wires just for charging this thing up. So, and I can feel on the bottom is where the charging connector is. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, this one here is already filled up with air for the most part. It's getting there. Let's see what this one here says for this instruction here. It's the FE7400. And let's see what we got here. So we can have sequence. So that's going to do my foot first, then my ankle, work its way up, all the way up to my knee and up to here. How cool is that? That's nice that it's all a convenient one. Well, the only other ones I've ever seen have been like separate pieces. So this is nice that it's all a single whole compression unit. And man, I feel it. It's getting tight on here now. It's feeling good. And it's got a zipper. I guess that's a quick release if you need to get out of it quick. So that's good. Here we go. So for the side power button, we hold it down for a long time, which I did, to turn it on. And we can push it again to stop it. And in the startup mode, the icon panel lights up. And here, I mean, you can read it better than me, I guess. There's the instructions for it. And it just says don't use it while it's charging, so just got to keep that in mind. And ooh, I feel it. I feel it's all on my feet and everything. It's just compressing everywhere. This one here is way tighter. Oh, I guess I started it first. Haha. So there we go. So it's at its peak height and strength now. So now it's gonna let some air out, and then it'll probably fill it back up again. So this is cool. This is nice. I guess this one's letting its air out now too. I guess it wasn't that far behind. And now it's filling up again. Look, my feet are going apart, it's moving it. But that's it, so it becomes just a big, hard, solid compression leg massager. This is sweet. I like this. And it's got the little indicator. It's hard for me to, I can't turn my leg anymore, but you can see I still got battery in it. And I guess the different buttons are gonna tell me what to do for different things. You know, so I can change our 6 modes by pushing, let's see, like M. Yeah, so that'll be thigh, calf, foot, sequence, circulation. So I'll leave it on circulation mode for that one. And what is this one on sequence? Let's turn this one to whole. So we can just do 2 different settings on different ones. And then we have our timer settings, was 3, that was down there. So that was, let's see, 5 is the mode, 6 is the strength button. So 6, so this one here is the strength. This is the strength one. I have it set on the max now. That's why it's so tight on me. And then we have the timer and the start and pause. So it's pretty cool. I like this. This is going to feel good for my legs, especially after I bike or after I run or something. Man, this is good. I guess that's why they use these things. So, bring it back up at me. So I'm going to say this thing is really cool. Totally feels nice. I need this today, man, after I biked this morning for a while. So. Very cool. I like this. And I like the way it's battery powered, so I can just take it with me and then put the little bag even too. So, very cool. Thumbs up. Very nice. I can't get up to the chain to turn it off, to move it to you.